What's going on, everyone? I got time tonight to do a nightly learn price action trading with me. I think we're on episode 5. Um, let's do it. Let's get right into it. On my last episode, I was doing January 8th. Now we're doing January 10th because the only reason we can't do January 9th is because for some reason the playback it's just not working. So we're going to get right into it. And we're just going to continue what we've been doing the last couple episodes because I'm pretty sure we found our edge. I feel comfortable with my edge. I'm going to try to make it uncut as possible like I always have been doing. Yeah, so we're on the 10th. Let's get right into it. So let's go to 9:30 because fuck pre-market. 9:30, here we go. We're on the 2000 tick chart. And we're just going to take our channels and, we're going to try to have at least 2 points matching to see if we can get a second entry short to retest these lows. Now, I shouldn't say fuck pre-market because with this indicator, I'm going to put the guy's channel on the top right and in the description. It's his indicator. It's the two-legged pullback indicator. Basically, it helps you count the legs, but you have to also count them yourself because they're not always accurate. And then the pink magenta boxes, or whatever they're called, the pink boxes, it identifies trapped traders, like people going short if you're trying to go long, or people going long trying to go short. So I haven't reviewed this day, even though I traded this day back in January. I don't remember it, obviously. But if we were to chart pre-market, and like I said, I shouldn't say fuck pre-market. So matter of fact, let's go chart pre-market real quick. We're just going to take our channels and follow price action. That's our main goal, really. We're going to follow price action and wait for a break and then retest to the high. That's literally the whole channel, or the whole strategy. It's literally the whole thing. Just going to do this. So that needs to be tested. And then this is just straight down. So we are going to, I'm honestly double bottom here. We got to watch out for that. I guess if we could connect this all the way down to here and then do that, we can wait for a retest on this double bottom. But it looks funny. So, but we're gonna keep that in mind. And then we got this channel coming up like that. 1, 2. So that would have worked, but the risk would have been retarded. You wouldn't have really gotten anywhere with that. So now we're back at 9:30. I'm not going to count this trade. Like I said, here, I'll mark it out just for you guys to see. So first leg, second leg, and then we will put it here. Oops, tick below here. See, like that, like you could definitely trade this for sure, but it's a 2.25 move. Like you're risking 5 points for a 2.25 move. So that's not that good. But like I said, it worked. You would have still made money if you are retarded enough to take that, like I probably would. Anyway, let's get into it. Remember, we also have the EMAs. The EMAs help us identify the trend. And now we're going to do bar by bar. So bam, first entry short. Let me try to zoom in. First entry short. And then this is going to be the second entry. Second entry short. Bad signal bar. We would not get in it because it's green. Bam. Bam. So we have this magenta box. What would I do here? If I'm looking back, would I really like fucking mark this out? Maybe. I don't know, but this is all practice. Would we actually do it in the market? I don't know. I couldn't tell you. I would have to be in the moment. So let's get these are trapped traders here, meaning they're trying to go long, and so they're gonna trap the people that went short right here. And so usually when this happens, because in my last episode, not last episode, in my last recap video for the trading week, I think last week, I did it. I literally was trying to aim for a high, but then we had trapped traders, so I took a short and we hit the recent low. You guys could go find that in my last video of my weekly video. But this is probably what I would be doing. We have a low here and a low here because I'm looking for 2 touches at least. And then if it breaks, we have a nice little channel, and then we retest the high. So if I saw this, definitely take a long, stop under here. Didn't work. Crazy. Did not work, so that's a loss. Let's mark it. Let's mark how much we were risking. 375 to make 1175. Pretty good. If I was up this much profit, I'd put it at break even or a tick above break even, because our job as traders is to stay afloat as best as possible. You know, secure our capital, protect it. But we obviously did not make it on this trade. So we're gonna get it on. Get to it. Bar by bar. Bam. Instant retest. See, I don't like that. But what would I do? I'd wait for that to happen. We have a break. First entry short. Second entry short. Definitely take this 100%. EMAs are still crossed, so we're still in a downtrend. Oops. Wrong tool. I want to mark it out real quick. Tick above that. And then I don't know if we hit it or not, but we're going to measure our 3.75, measure our profit to make 8.75. Let's see if we did it. We did not. Damn. Bad day already. Loss here, loss here. In reality, I would have been done if I took those 2 losses, but we're just going to keep going. Let's see. Let's see here. Okay. Bam, bam. And like I said, if I was deep in profit like this, dude, we would instantly put it a tick under. So in reality, they wouldn't really be losses. They would just be basically break evens. So boom, we're still downtrend. Still in a downtrend. Like I said, 2 touches. Good. Retest. We already did that. Okay, bam. We have another new low. We have a break. Okay. We have... Oh, wait. I forget if it's on top. Yeah. So if the pink boxes are on the bottom of a red candle... Actually, am I wrong? I could be wrong. I'm not going to lie. I think since damn, actually, you know what? Yeah, I'm wrong. We would not have taken this because this green box would have been on top of here. I think. I had a long day at work, bro. I'm exhausted. I would have to look back at one of my videos. Let me do that actually. Hold on a minute. Okay, I just looked at my recent video. My weekly weekly recap. So let me go back here. We wouldn't have taken this trade because these are, if it's on the bottom, if the pink box is on the bottom, we would be looking for shorts. So no, we would not be taking this trade. So no, this is not a loss. Not a loss at all. Because these are trapped shorts or trapped longs right here. And yeah, we wouldn't take this. We wouldn't take this at all. At all. Unless we came back down and this was still here and then we took it down, but that would be ridiculous. So I'm glad I caught that. So there were sellers here, and so we broke retested. No entry for us though. Let's get to it. God damn. See, and when it gets like that, I'm like, okay, we're gonna readjust ourselves and do this short trend. First entry long or first entry short, double bottom. So we didn't. So these are trapped longs above here. We would get in here if this candle ticked under this candle and take it down, but we didn't. Trapped longs. Yeah, trapped longs or trapped shorts here. People tried to go short, didn't work, but we still retested. Oh wait, actually, I'm sorry. I'm retarded. I'm so dumb. We have a new low here. We broke this low. We have a new low. So first entry short, second entry short. I am exhausted. I can't wait to go to bed. So we would get in here, stop above there. Let's measure our move real quick. See how much we're risking. 3 points to make. Drum roll, please. 7.25. That's good. Bam. And we made it. Hit it. That's a win. So that's 1 loss, 1 win. Let's keep her going. So that doesn't look right. So I'd honestly keep extending it out until we actually break like that. So first entry short. Okay, we tested. Now we're kind of having a little uptrend. So we are going to make an uptrend channel. I'm trying to like measure it out as much as possible. We are completely in an uptrend. I'm trying to see if I'm like missing anything because I'm trying to have it pinpoint as much as possible. The reason why I like doing these channels is because it helps me miss out on certain trades that I would probably take without using these channels. Like for example, first entry short or first entry long, second entry long. Actually, there's no trades that were taken here anyway. Let's move on. Down. All right, triple bottom, but we still tested it. That's pretty cool. This trade would have been amazing if there was trapped longs here and then we just taken it down, but sadly there wasn't. All right, let's keep her going. See, I don't like that. I'm trying to have it pinpoint as much as possible. So what we would do, we would just recenter ourselves, connect the dots. Still going down. Bam, try to measure it. Then we tested the low anyway. This is a weird day. This is like a flat day, dude. Like, look at all the candles. Choppy, choppy, choppy. Hate that. It's fucking disgusting. Choppiness. Bam. Double top. Okay, back to a downtrend. Okay, but EMA's crossed. We're not looking for any shorts, even though it worked out. Were there any trap traders? Hey, here we go. Look at this. Watch this shit. So even though we had a nice little uptrend, this is a first entry short, and then bam, second entry short. But we would not have taken this because EMAs are crossed. You know, we want to be precise as much as possible, you know. But that would have been a great trade for sure. But now look at this. We're still crossed, but here's what would happen here. We're looking for the uptrend to retest this high and this high because we broke out. But check this out. Right here, trapped Oh, I'm getting called famous. One sec. My fault. I'm back. While I was on the phone, I actually noticed there was a entry to retest this high. So we broke out. Pretend this channel's not here. We broke out. First entry long, and then second entry long. But the thing is, with this second entry long, let's mark it out. Mark out. Let's measure it real quick. 5 points. And we are risking 2.75. Okay. So the thing is, with this, is that once this candle finished, there are trapped longs here. Or not trapped, short. Like, there's trap traders here. Meaning, under this candle, it's hard to see. My fault. Under this candle, people want to short. People want to short. And then on top of this candle, people want to long above here. So what would I do in the moment? Probably wait for this candle to open, and if this candle didn't hit this high, I would have gotten out of the trade. Completely gotten out of the trade. So we would have waited for this candle. Definitely, I mean, it's risk on anyway. Risk on regardless if we win or lose. But it didn't. It did not. This candle opened. Now, so we have this. See, this is tricky because now that we're looking at it in hindsight, it's we already know what to do, kinda. Since we didn't hit this and we hit this, these trap traders, these trapped longs, like these are trapped longs, and I was one of them. So if I'm, if I'm looking at it right now, now that I'm explaining it, bro, we would get in here. Fuck, man, the risk would be crazy, bro. Risk would like be all the way up here. I mean, I get that. I would understand that. How much is that? Yeah, 575 to make, how much we making? 1275. It's pretty good. So yeah, we would get out of the longs because we're not going to be the ones to fucking get trapped. But you also have to remember the people that are short, that want to short, or the people that want to go long, they're up here. And these shorts are under here. It's weird. It's a tricky situation. I really wouldn't know what to do in this situation unless I'd be in it. But we're doing this all in hindsight. So let's say we're reversing, and actually, if we look overall, it's in a downtrend. So if we're just going, I don't know, it's whatever. Anyway, that I don't know what I would do if I was in this situation and this would be happening, but in hindsight, we're doing this in hindsight. We're trying to do this as real as possible, but let's continue it. We would get in a tick under this candle where the trap traders are, and get in and take that bitch all the way down. Bam, made money. That's the cool thing about this indicator. All right, let's keep it going. Stay strong. Bam. Already tested. Okay. We are kind of making an uptrend. All right. What did I do here? Nothing, honestly. All right, we broke out. First entry long, second entry long. No good signal bar, even though it would have worked. Bam. Double top. I don't like taking double tops, and even though this would have worked, like if you got in on this second entry short, because like look, first entry, that one, second entry, got two, that would have worked, but I hate double tops. Even though even though double tops are like double tops and double bottoms, triple, all that, they're magnets to the market because they want to take them out. So it would have worked, but I would not take that personally. Let's keep it going. First entry long, or first entry long, second entry long. Bad signal bar, wouldn't get in, but tested that high anyway. Get in here. Bam, bam. Instant reverse, so we're switching to shorts. Here we go. First entry short. Second entry short, but we're not hitting the EMA. I like hitting the 20 EMA. So I'd skip this unless there's trap traders. Yep, there's trap traders, but if it's on the bottom of a red candle, that means there's longs above here. If it's on the top, then we would get in for a short, but it's not. Here we go. Here we go. Trap traders. The risk would suck, but we are in a complete downtrend. I would honestly put it right above here. Risk sucks for sure. You would have to be, very smart with that. You're risking 4 points to make, 250. That's horrible, but it still worked. Honestly, I definitely take that because I'm a risky motherfucker, and yeah. So bam, nothing crazy going on. All right, we tested it. First entry short, second entry short, no traps. So we didn't get it. Got choppy here. I would still kind of draw this out. First entry short, second entry short, no traps. Bam, we broke out. First entry short, second entry short. It's not hitting the 21 EMA. We could look for a trap if there is one, but we did hit it. Let's keep it going. We're almost done on the day. Overshoot. So this we have to find a trap because it's a double bottom. I would not take a second entry short. There is no traps so far. Ooh. Traps here. I don't know what happens. I tried not to look. I'm getting a tick under. Okay. Stop. Where would I would honestly wouldn't even know where I'd put my stop. To keep my wrist small, I'd probably put it like right there. But it didn't work. Even though there was a double bottom here, it did not work. So that's a loss. Let me mark it out. How much we're risking. 425 to make 275. That's horrible. Fucking horrible. Definitely teased us. Got faked out. And it's at the end of the day, too. I mean, could have fucking still... I don't know. Still, could have tried it if you were trading all day. But we're just doing this because we're learning. Broke out. First entry long. Second entry long. Nothing. And then that's the end of the day. So let's review real quick. And then my ass is going to bed even though it's 9:30. I am so tired from work. Sun beat my ass. Okay. Where we at? Yep. First entry long. Second entry long. Perfect off the EMA. Bam. The risk wasn't super good. Like, oh, wait. Actually, no. This is pre-market. Sorry about that. We don't do pre-market. Let's keep it going. Boom. Here we go. We broke out. First entry short. Second entry short. Did not work, but we would have... If we were deep into profit like this, we would have put our stop a tick under our entry point, so we would still be in the game. Got to stay alive. Let's see. Let's keep reviewing. Here we go. This trade would have worked perfectly. Perfect, beautiful. Second entry short off the EMA. Retest the low. Could have still kept going. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. Yeah, nothing too crazy. Because I'm looking at these traps. I'm like, oh, would I be able to get in the trade? But not really. Because we're in an uptrend now. Downtrend. A lot of traps. Nope. We already retested that low. Keep it going. Here. This definitely got a little crazy. But if we were fast and quick thinking, we would have gotten out of the longs and then gotten into the shorts immediately and took it down here. So this is a perfect trade. So that's one full trade that... Oh, wait. Did we do that? Fuck. Did we do that? Yeah, we lost on that. Or not really. We would have put our stop, or yeah, our stop a tick under. We won on that, so that was a 100% win. And then this one comes in. Kind of messed us up. I'm not really going to count it because we're doing this in hindsight. Let's see. Let's keep it going. Yep, that would have worked perfectly because we had a trap here. Risk wouldn't have been as good, but you definitely could have gotten in for a quick scalp. So I'm going to count this. So that's two. Two trades. Two for one. 2 out of 1. And, oh, where are we at with this one? Yeah, we were going to aim for this. But now that I'm looking at it, what would I have done? You know, we have to retest this. And then do this. Shit. What would I have done here, boys and girls? Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna leave it. I'm glad that I'm reviewing it, like going back over it. I probably wouldn't have trade that because I'm always trying to do the channels no matter what direction we're in. Like channel here, and then a channel here. So we're not gonna count this because it's trap. Yeah, we're not gonna count that. I'm glad I'm going over it. And end of the day. Yeah, so sorry if I kind of half-assed this video. I'm really exhausted, but I kind of just wanted to go over a Learn Price Action Trading with me episode. Yeah, so 2 out of 1 trades. So this would have been a green day. Yeah, green day. Cool. All right. I will see if I can post another video tomorrow night. It depends on what time I get home because my work schedule changed. But other than that, if I don't post a video tomorrow, I'll try to post a video Thursday. And then if I don't do that, then I'll have a video by the end of the week. Thanks for watching, and I hope people are learning with me. And I also wanted to say thanks to my last video because we got like 145, almost 150 views on that. So that's pretty cool. So if anyone's got any questions, let me know. I'd be happy to answer. If anyone has any tips, let me know. I'd be happy to learn. See y'all later.